Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some foggy conditions across the region this morning. That's going to be the case throughout the morning hours with low clouds and fog likely. And then once we move in the afternoon hours, should see those ceilings start to rise and seeing a few breaks in the clouds. Didn't get that yesterday, and trend is today for a cloudier sky than was expected, but overall I do expect some breaks this afternoon. As far as our chances of precipitation and lightning, they'll be near zero today, other than a possibility of some lingering mist this morning with that low cloud. Moving on to our observation, we have a vertical visibility of 200 feet, quarter-mile statute visibility with fog. Our winds are light out of the southwest at 3 knots, temperature at 35 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of low clouds across the Delmarva Peninsula, including the eastern portion of the Mid-Atlantic region, and that's going to be the case throughout the morning hours. And we should see those breaks in the clouds once we move in the afternoon hours, allowing for our temperatures to move into the mid-upper 40s across the area. Taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see here the high res once again keeps that low cloud and the cloudiness across the region for the day today. And it did do a fairly good job yesterday, so going to continue to see some fairly good cloud cover in the forecast. And for today, looking at a high of only 45 degrees. Once again, a very tricky temperature forecast today, as this low cloud will keep us cooler across the region. Portions to the west of the Chesapeake Bay will easily see temperatures in the 50s today. And if we do see breaks in the clouds earlier than I expect in this forecast, we'll see those temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. So a very tricky temperature forecast today, and sticking with the mid-40s as of right now. Overnight low around 39 during the evening hours, and then temperatures rising overnight in the mid-upper 40s as we see a southwesterly wind pick up. Overall for today, we'll see those southwesterly winds light this morning and then increasing slightly this afternoon, 8 to 13 knots, gusts to 19 knots, calming this evening out of the south at 4 to 9 knots, and as I mentioned, picking up the southwest at 8 to 13 knots, gust to 18 knots by tomorrow morning. Our terminal forecast is going to see those low clouds in the region, and that will most likely occur from now till noon, and then afternoon should see those ceilings start to rise to 1,000 feet and possibly higher once we move into the late afternoon hours. About 4 p.m. to 3 p.m. should see those ceilings rise above VFR conditions, with that low cloud really scouring out across the region. By tomorrow morning, we'll see a good amount of mid and upper level cloudiness. As I mentioned, some slightly breezy southwesterly flow and warmer air in the region. Our tides are half above normal right now. Looking at Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and mild. Slight chance of a brief shower in the evening, a high of 60 degrees, so expecting a well above normal Wednesday. We'll see just mid and upper level cloudiness across the region, so not going to see a low cloudiness for Wednesday, but could see our wind gusts around 23 knots in the afternoon out of the southwest, as well as seeing a possibility of a brief sprinkle or shower in the evening hours. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of patchy fog overnight, a low of 44, and for Thursday, mostly cloudy to overcast. Onshore flow developing by late morning, rain showers likely by the evening with a warm front approaching, and we'll see a morning high around 57 with temperatures falling in the mid-40s by late afternoon. With an orange here of precipitation for Thursday, we'll most likely bump that up to a red as we get closer to the event on Thursday, but right now timing a little bit in question. Could come in right after that 8 p.m. Time frame on Thursday, which is beyond this forecast. So giving an orange here for the precipitation on Thursday, as well as seeing a possibility of some low clouds on Thursday with that rainfall coming in. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.